Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne, and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are actually going to be doing Morphe's I Love Mystery 5-piece collection. I just want to say, I thought it was going to come like this, but it didn't. It came in a huge box. I can't even show you how big this box is. So I was really surprised. I'm actually really surprised by how big this box is. It's bigger than my head. So, anyway, just to let you know, I believe this is actually still up right now. I haven't even looked at it. Look, it's not even opened. It's still sealed, so I don't know what's in it. So we're going to open it together and find out what I got. I believe this was $40, $50 with shipping, and then I was given a code by Lisa. So I think it came to like $50. I didn't realize if I spent $60, I would have got free shipping, because then I would have picked up another palette. Or two, maybe. So this promised to be 5 pieces. I have seen other ones that came out weeks ago that are one eyeshadow palette, eyelashes, and 3 brushes. So we'll see. I don't know what I have from Morphe except for their eyeshadow primer. And that's about all I think I have tried from them. And just before I get too much further into this, I actually wanted to show you guys that I use the Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette, and I am so in love with it. Like, seriously, this is one of the best palettes I own. It went on so smooth, so shiny. I love these colors right now. It kind of is getting me out of my comfort zone. I can't wait to try some of the more bolder colors. I just wanted to start off with something really, really sweet, something that I knew I would like. It's also New Year's, and I'll probably just leave this on until the new year. I used the IB Liquid Lippy. I used the Tarte blush I just got, the foundation from Ipsy. And yeah, and I use those two an eyeliner from Touch and Soul. I don't know if you can see it. It's magenta, I believe it is. And I really, really love it. It's a liquid glitter eyeliner, so it's perfect for today. So let's get into this box. This box is definitely bigger than it needs to be, and I'm very, very much disappointed. I was really hoping for a collaboration. I got Bronze Mocha Artistry. I'm going to load up their website and see how much this costs. Okay, so, and then I will definitely give you the total, and this is probably going to be a bunch of browns, so whether I will use it. And look at that, I already scratched the case. Okay, so that one's actually not bad. It has a couple purples that I'll probably use. I don't like that. Like, it has all the names of them on there. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I kind of was expecting a little bit more. It's very disappointing, Morphe. Okay, so then I got 3 brushes. So, a crease blender brush, a deluxe duo fibrous eyeshadow brush, and the other one just says M531, plus the eyelashes, and that I'm definitely going to be complaining about. I did not open them, so they have already been opened, and they were shipped like that. And it's called Go On and Fake It. I'm not even going to open those up. That's really disturbing. I'm really disappointed in this box. Yeah, I don't say that too often. So, I got my phone right here. Oh, okay, give me my phone. Does it go off camera? Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to load up the website. Okay. This is called the 25B. So, shop, makeup, eyes, eyeshadow palettes. I also want to, let's see here. Bestsellers. Obviously, I didn't get any of those ones. Oh. Let's just type this in then. Let's go. 25B. So this is only $15. Are you serious? $15. It has 2 of them for $46. It's sold out. Well, I wonder why. Okay, so they're actually $24, but yeah. Okay, so we'll say $24, and then we got the M428, M428. So let's see how much this costs. $5.50. So we'll add that up together. 24 plus 5.50 plus. Okay, so, and I believe that that's all in Canadian. Okay, so then let's see here. M531. M531. Oh, why is my nose running? Oh, it's been doing so good. Okay, so this one's actually $9.50. So that one's kind of making me happy. So plus $9.50. All right. So, I mean, those 2 items didn't even make up the price of what I paid for the box. This is supposed to be like, I would think that I would get a higher value. So I'm going to look it up. I don't think it gave me a value, but that is actually really nice. It's supposed to be a Pro Blender brush. Okay, so then the last one I see here is the M519. That's my area code. Oops. M519. Let's see. So that's $8. Okay, so there's the price of the box. So I got this free. I will be definitely reaching out to them. This is Go On and Fake It. Let's see. Go On and Fake It. So these better be like some seriously expensive freaking eyelashes. Oh, they're $6. Okay. So I basically just bought a bunch of stuff that, I mean, I could have, it was $53. $53. Okay. They're getting an email from me. I am very pissed off. Like, that's absolutely ridiculous. That's wrong. You have them on sale for $15. So technically I paid full price for everything in this box. I'm seeing if I can find this. I love mysteries. Let's see what it says here. It's a 5-piece collection for $40. So I'm... Oh, it's a retail value of $59. Mine did not make the retail value. Yeah. Okay. So with it being said, this is an 8-minute video, and I'm really, really upset. I'm ending the year with the crappiest box ever. Anyway, I will be sending them an email. I'm going on my computer and sending it because it's going to be very professional and very grumpy. Let's just leave it at that. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm ending the year on this video. I know I did say that I was going to be working on my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but unfortunately my daughter came down with a viral respiratory infection, which ended up leading into a really bad bacterial ear infection. I was on the couch for 3 days under my toddler. Our sleeping patterns are so off. Like, she just had a nap from, like, I think I got up around 5 and she slept until 7, and usually 7's her bedtime. So she's just gone upstairs. I highly doubt she's sleeping. I'm sure we'll go to bed before she will tonight. But yes, I actually have all of the stuff ready. I just have to actually make the video. I have to put on my makeup, and I've got to get the house quiet. And right now that's super hard. I didn't think it would be this hard. I thought maybe I'd have a day alone with Evelyn and I would be, you know, good to go. But unfortunately, she has been a mama's girl. So I'm not really going to complain because the cuddles were just fantastic. And hopefully I don't end up with this because she's 2 and she doesn't know to, you know, put her hands over her face when she's coughing. So I'm wondering if this runny nose is part of that, but I'm not sure. So anyway, I did get in the second FabFitFun box, and I have to say that it was the exact same items again, but my daughter had stolen it, so she's gotten some of the items out of there. Whatever item she doesn't take, I will put into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I also have planned to have the 1,000 subscriber and then a couple other prizes along the way. So once more, I'm going to try and get that done this weekend, providing that work doesn't say, hey, you need to be here every day this week. And yeah, and I go back to work on Thursday, so maybe tomorrow I'll try and work on that. I will let you know what they say about this, because I'm not sure. Like, a lot of places, when you offer a mystery, you offer like double or triple the value, and that didn't even make the promise value of that that they said. And in Canada, I do know that if you promise something at that value, you should come through with it. So with that being said, it is completely false advertisement to promise me $59 when it was only $53. It's only $6. It's not that huge of a deal. You're right. But the thing is that we have to hold companies up to what they promise us. If not, then yeah, we have every right to be upset. I'm not gonna, like, you know, pout and cry. I may ask to send this back to them with on their dime, because they sent it to me. I already paid for shipping, so. But anyway, with it being said, I actually have 2 BoxyLuxes coming, and I have a really nice surprise about that, which I will get into when I get the box. Hopefully that's soon. I also have 2 ColourPop orders coming in. You can blame that one on Lisa, because Lisa's like, you should. And so I did. And she told me that this was up, and then she was like, well, maybe you shouldn't get it. It doesn't look very good. I'm like, you know what? I've seen some people get, you know, like the Jeffree Star and the James Charles palette. So maybe I could get one of those. But no, I can't even get a pretty pink palette, Morphe. And you have this on for sale for $15. So actually, I would have saved more money just buying these pieces separately. So if that's not an insult, then I don't know what is. Anyway, with that being said, have a great New Year's, and I hope to see you guys in the 2020. So anyway, take care. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.